Welcome to another episode of Mary in Province Life.
And today is Friday. Punta tayo ng San Fernando Night Market. Intayon mga
Isang chicken.
Ano po yung beef mami na overload?
Isang mami garap. Thank you.